Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamski and this is another video about my untitled yet stealth game I'm working on. So, what I did new in my game. First of all, I add characters. So, this is the Twin Blast from Paragon. You probably already know him. This is his basic skin. But I choose this skin and I change its color, color of its coat, his glasses, and so on. And I also make him lighter because this character, whole animation, voices, textures, materials, it was 1.5 gigabytes, and now it's 80 megabytes. Because I basically remove all the materials. As you can see, I don't have any materials on his legs and shirt and coat. I just use the normal map and roughness map and maybe mask. That's all, and I change the textures from 4K to 1K or even 512 because from the top-down perspective I don't need as much details. So this is one of my characters. Another one is the girl. She doesn't have a name yet, and she is also a girl from Paragon. That's face. But I also reduce her size, texture size and everything, and I change her color. But I'm still using animations. They are really great. And my third character, which is the strong guy, I bought it on Marketplace, and this is this asset, post-apocalyptic survival older male character. And I bought it basically because it was cheap. It is about $10, something like that. But I also change him. I make his skin darker because I want to make him black guy. He's not really black, but from the top-down perspective, it doesn't. You can't look at his face so close. So this will work. And I obviously change the color, textures, resize again because it was 4K. And yeah, one thing about this is this character is got a great mesh, great textures, but unfortunately its animations doesn't fit the Unreal Engine mannequin, and its animations have root motion, so I couldn't manage to apply it to Unreal Engine character. So I had to. So what I did is I export him to Mixamo, and in Mixamo I make a new skeleton for it, and I use Mixamo animations for it. And I spent 2 days doing it, but I like working with animations. I'm not an animator because I like to do it. So I have animations now in my game. I'm implementing it, and this I molded them from different animations, from mannequin animations, from Paragon animations, from NPC pack that was free a couple months ago on Marketplace, and from Mixamo animations. And I did some magic in I can show you. I did some magic in Animation Blueprint, which I love to do. This is the stuff I am doing here. So I can kind of mix animations to make them look maybe not great but good enough, so I can show you what I have. Okay, so this guy can destruct a guy, so if he does that he can throw stone, and there is an animation for throwing a stone, but he also can kill a guy, and he is strangling him. I don't have voices for strangling yet, but yeah, he can do that. Another another character is the girl, and she can disrupt radio waves of the radio station. So if she do that, she can stop guard view for a moment, and she also have animation doing it. She doesn't have a device yet, but I'm working on it. And she can also kill the guy, and she's my favorite character in terms of killing the guard because she does it in a very awesome way. Look at this. She has a taser and she can electrocute the guy, and this is freaking awesome. Okay, another guy is our meathead. Sorry to call him that, he's just a strong guy. And what he can do is he can whistle. There is also whistle animation I did. And then, because he's incredibly strong, he can just punch the guy. This guard doesn't have animation for getting hit yet, but I'm working on it. And also this guard is from... Ooh, you don't want to see that. But yeah, it's a game development in progress. This guard is also from Mixamo, and I use some AK-47 from Turbo Squid, also free mesh, and I add him a hat. Also from Turbo Squid free. I need to fix it in Blender a bit. So yeah, I'm using a lot of free and free stuff from internet and very cheap from marketplace. And yeah, the thing you probably see me doing is that I have a outline material so I can know which guards gonna be affected about the destruction. So I made this material. This is awesome. I made this material in like 15 minutes. I went to page of these guys. This is Michał Orzełek website, and Paweł Miniszewski here had a outline effect as post-process tutorial introduction, and have a whole thing explaining what it is, but I didn't read it, to be honest. I just go and I just download the project and I import it to my project and I hook it up in 5 minutes, and I had outline material. This is what I love about Unreal Engine community and Unreal Engine engine, and the idea behind it, that it is really easy to use, and there is many people doing something and posting stuff like this in the internet, making tutorials, making videos about it. So if you want to make something and you don't know how, you just need like 10 seconds of googling and you will find a way to do it. And this is great. That's also why I'm making my tutorials, to share my knowledge with you guys. And yeah, basically that's all what I want to tell you. But there is one thing. I also made a Discord channel finally. This is I was thinking about making Discord channel for the game, making Discord channel for my tutorials, but I thought I'd just make Discord channel for me and the stuff I do game dev wise. So this is Discord channel, Discord server with 3 channels in it. Here's marketplace. So if you bought my marketplace stuff, or you want to buy something and you have any questions, you can ask them here. I will reply. I am always here. I don't have any life beside that, to be honest. Here are tutorials. So if you watch my tutorials and have any questions, any suggestions about tutorials, you can also post it here. And here is the channel for my Untitled Stealth game. So I don't have a title yet for this game. So if you have any idea about title, you can post it here. Maybe I'll consider it. If it's gonna be awesome and unique, maybe I will use it. So there's only me here. I didn't invite anyone yet. So you can join this channel and be the first one. So please do that. Yeah, so that's all. Thanks guys for watching. New tutorials are coming, so please subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you next time. See ya.